Hello guys, welcome to Living Maestro. I am your host Vedant Javla and today we are going to see the top 10 most unsafe Indian cars. So without wasting any of our time, let's start. Before starting with the topic, let's take a note. All crash tests have been performed by Global NCAP. All test reports are of Indian cars only. Every car has been performed at a speed of 64 km per hour, and cars in this video without any standard safety features will be soon updated with standard safety. So let's start with the car that is safer than other cars that are shown in this video. So on the 10th number we can see the Maruti Suzuki Eco, and this is not a private car. It is not preferred as a private car. Like you can buy it for a private purpose, but it is mostly used for public purposes like taxis and for goods transfer from one place to another. This minivan is used. Other than that, this car was tested with zero airbags and it has scored 1.13 out of 17 for adult safety. So it has scored 0 stars and has scored 24.20 out of 49 for child safety. That's why it has scored 2 stars out of 5 for child safety. And the tested model was Suzuki Maruti Eco. The body type of the car is 5-door minivan and the year of publication is 2016. The body shell integrity was found unstable, and as I told you, the car was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour. On the 9th number comes the Hyundai Eon. Now this car was provided by Hyundai, but this car has been discontinued, and this car had a nice sales figure, but after the Sentra was launched, the sales figure of the car went very down, and that's why the car was discontinued. Other than that, this car has scored 0 stars for adult safety. The car was tested with 0 airbags. It has scored 20.42 out of 49 for child safety. That why it got 2 out of 5 stars. And the body shell integrity on the car was found unstable. Tested model was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour. The tested model was Hyundai Eon. The body type of the car was a 4-door hatchback city car. Other than that, the year of publication was 2016. On the 8th number comes the Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. Maruti Suzuki Alto was tested with 0 airbags. It has scored 0 stars for adult safety and 17.57 out of 49 for child safety. That's why it got 2 out of 5 stars for child safety. Tested model was Suzuki Maruti Alto 800. It is a 4-door city car and it was tested in 2014, and the weight of the car is 924 kg. The car was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour. On the 7th number comes the Renault Duster. The Renault Duster got an update in 2020 by Renault, and however this was not able to get a nice sales figure. It had an adequate sales figure a few years ago, where when there was not much of competition in the price point it's coming, but now there's a lot of competition and it is not able to give competition to other cars that are coming in the same price point. And this car has scored 0 stars out of 5 for adult safety, and it has scored 16.98 out of 49 for child safety. That's why it has got 2 out of 5 stars for child safety. The car was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour and the body shell integrity was found unstable. The car details are: tested model was Renault Duster. It was a 5-door SUV, and the year of publication is 2017. And when in the 2020 it got updated by Renault, there were not much of changes in the car. There were a minor tweak in the looks of the car, and however, it was not able to give competition to other cars. On the sixth number comes the Mahindra Scorpio. I know this is the favorite car of many. This is a macho looking car, and damn, it looks nice. But still, it is good for rural areas. But however, in urban areas, it is not preferred as much because the car seen on the urban roads are very less. Because this car doesn't offer many features, and which is a priority of many. There is no sunroof, and yeah, this is not found in the urban areas as much as in rural areas. And the sales figure of the car was very nice in the earlier months, like in 2020. But however, in present days, the sales figure of the car has gone down because everyone knows that Mahindra Scorpio is going to get a new update, and that's why everyone is waiting for the new update, and that's the reason the car is not getting as much as attention as it used to get. And the Mahindra Scorpio was tested with zero airbags, and it has scored 0 stars for adult safety and 16.73 out of 49 for child safety. That's why it got 2 stars out of 5 for child safety. The car was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour. The body shell integrity of the car was found unstable, and the testing model was Mahindra Scorpio. The body type was a 5-door SUV, and the year of publication was 2016. On the 5 number comes the Renault Logi. Now this is not a SUV, nor it is a hatchback, nor it is a sedan. It is an MPV. And the Renault Logi was tested with 0 airbags. It has scored 0 out of 5 for adult safety, and it has scored 15.67 out of 49 for child safety. That's why it is got 2 out of 5 for child safety. The test and the car was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour. The body shell integrity was found unstable. The tested model was Renault Logi. Body type of the car was a 5-door MPV. Now, MPV, the full form of MPV is multi-purpose vehicle, and it is not as macho as SUV. It doesn't look when you see the car running on the road, then you will clearly able to see that this is not a SUV, and the year of publication was 2018. On the fourth number comes the Tata Zest. The Tata Zest was tested with 0 airbags and has scored 0 out of 17 for adult safety and 12.11 out of 49 for child safety. That's why it has scored 1 out of 5 for child safety. The car was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour. The body shell integrity was found unstable. Now I would ask a question that in the last video I told you, where I told you the safest cars of India, I included the name of Tata Zest, where it scored 4 stars. So actually the Tata Zest was tested 2 times. Once it was tested with 2 airbags, where it scored 4 stars for adult safety, and the second time it was tested with 0 airbags, so it scored 0 stars for adult safety. And that's why I have included the name of Tata Zest in this video. The third number comes in the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Now, the Maruti Suzuki Celerio is going to get a new update, so everyone is waiting for the new update. But on the present model, the safety of the car is 0 out of 5 for adult safety. The car was tested with 0 airbags. The car has scored 11.53 out of 49 for child safety, and that's the reason it has scored 1 out of 5 stars for child safety. And the car was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour. The body shell integrity of the car was found unstable. The tested model was Maruti Suzuki Celerio. body type was a 5-door hatchback, and the year of publication was 2016. On the second number comes the Renault Kwid. It recently got an update in 2020 where there were enhanced looks, and there were a couple of features that were increased. Other than that, the safety rating of car is 1 out of 5 stars for adult safety and 10.91 out of 49 for child safety. That's why it has scored 1 out of 5 stars for child safety. And the Renault Kwid was tested with driver airbag where it scored 1 star. Actually, this car was tested 4 times by Global NCAP in the year 2016. 3 times it scored 0 stars out of 5 for adult safety, and one time by mistake it scored 1 out of 5 for the adult safety. And when it scored 1 out of 5, the car had a driver airbag. The tested model was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour, and the body shell integrity of the car was found unstable. The car details were: the tested model was Renault Kwid. The body type of the car was a 5-door hatchback. The year of publication was 2016. On the first number comes the Tata Nano. The Tata Nano was launched a couple of years back. Tata spent a lot of money on this car, and Ratan Tata ji had a lot of expectations with this car, but unfortunately the car was unsuccessful, and same was continued in the safety ratings. The Tata Nano was tested 0 airbags. It has scored 0 stars for both adult and child safety without any discrimination. And the tested model was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour. The tested model was Tata Nano. The body type of the car was a 4-door city car, and the year of publication was 2014, and the weight of the car was 887 kg. So very thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. I will meet you in the next video with a lot of more interesting topics, and if you want that I should make a video on a specific topic that you want, please do write in the comment section. I will surely try to make that video. So till then, stay home, stay subscribed. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.